Greetings, traders. It is I, Abdul Shabazz, and this is where the trades were. November the 28th, end of day recap. Starting off, we had a lovely gap down. Was this going to be the day that the Bears finally showed up and took over and forced the Bulls to take profits? We thought it was going to be that way as the day started off. But as we noticed, as we've been noticing all week last week, that the Bulls showed up, bought up all lower prices, which took us to our first beautiful move, which was a call for 53 call, entered right here above this beautiful hammer with the stock price trading above VWAP, and she never looked back. You could have added to your position with the break of the 454.25 area, which we know was a magnet, taking that all the way up to resistance of the 455.3 and then to the 456.2. Then on the flip side, there was a lovely put that presented itself where you could have taken a 456 put and entered here on this candle. We had a clear area of resistance and we broke out of that area, putting in a lower high. Once the lower high was put in, you could have used resistance as your stop out area to take this beautiful call right back down to the 455.2 area, even all the way down to VWAP. You could have then added to that position as we came across the infamous 1 o'clock candle. At the 1 o'clock candle, we had a beautiful flush where you could have added to your runner and taken money within the 5-minute candle itself, either at the close of it or at it hitting support. Those were the opportunity and the plays that presented themselves today. I want to apologize for the technical difficulties that we had on the live stream today. We had to reprogram, update, and change some of the settings. We are now ready to go and look forward to seeing you guys at 9:25, inshallah, tomorrow morning, Eastern Standard Time, ready to rock and roll. Nonetheless, when we look at where the chart has ended today and we look on a larger scale, okay, let's go ahead and eliminate pre-market so that way I can show you guys. And we see here that once again, we are right back at that 454.25 area. It is acted as a magnet. The stock has got below it, come right back to it. It has gotten above it at the 455.3 area and come right back down to it. We had a gap down this morning underneath it, but it acted like a magnet, got above it, tested almost the high of 456.3, but came right back down to it as a magnet, putting in yet and still another doji for today. However, the size, it is still a doji. So the market has been showing us for the last 5 trading days a sense of indecision. Not a clear direction has been chosen yet. Therefore, please tune in tomorrow at 9:25 as we prepare to see what the market does and take a side with the winners. This is Abdul Shabazz for some real change stock options journey where the trades were. Thank you for tuning in. God bless you and good night.